Don't let the simple appearance fool you. This semolina cake is crumbly yet moist, kind of like cake and pudding in one bite that leaves you craving more.
Yum.
Here is the authentic recipe my friend Nadee sent me.
To make this moist and sweet semolina cake, start by mixing 1 egg, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup or 65 grams of sugar. Whisk the egg and sugar together until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Next, add 1/3 cup or 80 milliliters of olive oil and half a cup or 125 grams of plain yogurt to the egg and sugar mixture and give it a good mix until everything is well blended. Next, mix in 1 cup or 175 grams of semolina, 1/3 cup or 30 grams of desiccated coconut, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Then, give all the ingredients a good mix until they are well combined and the cake batter is smooth and uniform, ensuring there are no lumps. Next, take an 8-inch by 6-inch baking dish and grease it well with butter or oil to ensure your cake comes out easily after baking. Then, pour the cake mixture into the baking dish and gently spread it with a spatula so the top is even. This helps ensure the cake bakes evenly, giving you a great texture throughout. Then, bake the cake in a preheated oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. While the cake is baking, prepare the sugar syrup. In a small saucepan, mix 3/4 cups or 180 milliliters of water, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Simmer for 5 minutes to dissolve the sugar and let it cool. Once the cake is golden brown on top, remove it from the oven and evenly drizzle the sugar syrup over it to soak into the cake and make it deliciously moist. Then sprinkle some coconut flakes on the top. Cut the cake into squares and enjoy.
If you enjoyed this deliciously sweet, crumbly, and moist semolina cake, you will also love this popular Sri Lankan love cake recipe here. Check it out now.